Purchase your tracks today.
What's up? I hope everything's fine. I'm okay. I'm doing good, and I'm back with another another video. Yeah, you guys request me. Man, I don't even know how to read. ATEEZ is a group. Yeah, it's a kind of Korean group, if I'm not mistaken. The title of the song is Fireworks. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm the one in my zone. 다른 애들은 삐약. 저 취한 바보들 좀 봐. 이건 무슨 일이야? 그럴 필요 없어. 난 it's okay. I'm sober. 가슴만 더 뜨겁게. 지워버리지 날 부드럽게. We don't need nothing. Oh no. I'm giving you my invitation. 아주면 pay attention. 쿵쿵대는 비트에 번역이 tango. 대전 밖으로 난리 났어. 어떡하면 툭하는 나들 가는 우리 멀어. 취하지 않은 네가 봐봐 너도 원어. 퍼지는 개성에 발맞춰 두드려버려. 지금 우린 마치 불놀이야. 불놀이야. 말리지마. 말리지마. 웃지마. 지금 마지막인데. Pop it away. Pop it away. 여기 지금 터져버릴 것 같아.
Very they dress good. I really like their style, man. So far it's pretty good. I mean, obviously it's not really my type of song, but yeah, I think I mean, I just gotta finish to listening to it.
취한 바보들 좀 봐. 이건 무슨 일이야? 모두 잘못 보고 있어. Oh no. 마치 그게 진짜 멋이라고. 우린 필요가 없어. Oh no. Oh no. 너도 갖고 있잖아. 너만의 뜨거운 배. 여기 불이야. 온 동네 천지가 붉게 춤추네. 여기 붙어라. 저기 붙어라. 온 동네 천지가 불이 붙을 때.
I got it. I mean, like, obviously, it's not really my type of song, but I have to give them credit for this. I mean, it's very professional, you know, like the graphics is so fucking good, the way they dress, you know. But I won't lie, that's not really my type of song, you know. I don't fuck with this type of song, you know. So yeah, so but I listened to it to the end because you asked me to react to, you know. Yeah. So basically, it is what it is. But it was good though. It was pretty nice to watch. Yeah. Thank you guys. Subscribe to the fucking channel, man. Show some love, show some support, brother. Like, brother, you know, you can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video.